What's the meaning of anticlockwise? Anticlockwise. 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 Anticlockwise.
Anticlockwise is a term used to describe a direction that is opposite to the way the hands of a clock move. When moving in an anticlockwise direction, you are moving counterclockwise or to the left. Anticlockwise movement is commonly seen in machines such as fans or motors, where the blades rotate in an anticlockwise manner. In sports such as running or swimming, anticlockwise movement may be used for training purposes or in certain competitions. Understanding the term anticlockwise is important when describing motion or direction in a specific context.